spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by the Toy Train Tips and Tricks Storefront Portal. Curated from the vast Walmart.com network of retailers, here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items like three-rail train sets, rolling stock, locomotives, scenery items, and even apparel and decor. There's even a special tab for items that have been featured on Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos. Follow the link in the video description or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new items. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the premier O-scale 34-foot composite hopper car in a Burlington 6-pack for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toy Trains. The cars will be individually numbered in very limited quantities beginning in March 2024. The early order price is $399.99 plus freight. Menards has released a new series of 40-foot container 2-packs and 8-packs. The packs are available in Menards, Ocean Network Express, Mitsui OSK lines, and Hyundai colors. 2-packs retail for $24.99 each, and 8-packs for $84.96 each before rebates. MTH has announced an exclusive premier O-scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper car in Wheeling and Lake Erie colors for Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The cars will be available in 2 individual numbers in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of March 2024. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. And speaking of cylindrical hoppers, MTH has announced an exclusive premier O-scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper car in unique red gold tomatoes colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in March 2024. The early order price is $69.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains is releasing 2 additional Rail King O-scale RS3 diesel locomotive road names, Long Island and Metro North, to go along with the 4 previously announced paint schemes that were revealed last spring: Boston and Maine, Louisville and Nashville, Missouri Pacific, and Great Northern. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized dealers in February 2024 and will retail for $389.95 each. Now in stock at Berwyn's Toys and Trains is an exclusive uncatalogued MTH Rail King O-Gauge SW1200 diesel locomotive in distinctive Com-Ed colors. The models are available on a first-come, first-served basis for $359.99 plus freight. And new for your bookshelf is The Pennsylvania Railroad, The Age of Limits, 1917 to 1933 by Albert J. Chirella. The Pennsylvania Railroad, The Age of Limits represents an unparalleled look at history, personalities, and technologies of this iconic American company in a period that marked the shift from the building of an empire to exploring the limits of their power. The book is available in hardback and Kindle editions. See the links in the video description for more details. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, and if you like these weekly product updates, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss an episode. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.